Just doing a quick video on installation of a gas cap. I got one of these. I believe it's made by Porsche. It could be a knockoff, but it's a gas cap. So factory one looks like that. And you know, this thing is actually not made out of aluminum. You think it is, but it's actually plastic. But hey, it looks better. Whatever. And they do wear out. So got the cable here, pretty much attached to this thing. I'm not quite sure how this comes off. I will figure it out in a second, but it does come with these cables. 3 different versions of them. And here, put that down. Okay. So, yeah, apparently there's 3 types. Pretty much just sits around the, holds the gas cap on. So let's see, I took out the original one there. You see that gasket around there. Over time that can deteriorate and you can get check engine lights. It's a common problem. I actually had a check engine light on this thing. I don't think the gas cap was on tight. So let me go ahead and try the new one. Let's see how that fits. Looks good. That's good. Better. Not like it really matters, but hey, if you want to get all the details, so let me figure out how that cable goes out. Basically, have to get a really small screwdriver and put it under there and pull on it. It's rubber, so it's off. So here's the original one. Alright, and it does not go on this gas cap because it's a lot larger diameter, so whichever one looks similar. Yeah, that one will work. Because I think the hole diameter is to be similar. So maybe this one. It's just basically I'm gonna put it back on the same way, maybe some stretching and pulling. Let me see if I can do that. There it is. So that's on. I'll grab the gas cap and just gonna just put it on. It should go around it. Just like that. Okay. So that is on. Won't lose it. And that's about as exciting as it gets. So what about a 2-minute job?